finally, we go to the vision naman. Mabilisan na lang man po ito. Benefits of video in the digital classroom. Gaano ka-importante itong ating paggawa ng video. Blended learning po. Okay? Traditional classroom, learning with self-paced, online learning. Working together more often. Okay? Pwede ito kasi maging group activity or nagtatanungan, nagkakaroon ng pagtutulungan yung mga estudyante, either face-to-face silang nagtutulungan or maybe online, developing greater problem solving and critical thinking skills, more motivated to learn kasi ganado sila, wow, si sir, si ma'am nasa video, taking greater ownership of their learning kasi hawak nila, kontrolado nila yung learning material nila, which is your video. So, evidence-based benefits of video in the classroom, nagpa-facilitate nga ng thinking and problem solving, foster mastery learning kasi nga yung 5-minute video natin answers the problem of the cognitive load and the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, yung ganon, helps develop learner autonomy because they control their learning, deliver authentic learning opportunities because those videos are made specifically for them. Okay, how students are using video. Digital content is clearly making a major impact in K-12 education. So ito po yung mga percentage na nagpapakitang the students are very active when it comes to virtual labs, sa animation, online textbooks, and of course sa video lessons na kanilang pinapanood made by their teachers. Video is a must for flipped classroom. First, students watch content at home. The source could be a teacher-created video or other digital resources. Kaya nga sabi ko, the video lesson that we are going to create should be not for that particular video lang, kundi isang part of a bigger picture. It could be the start or the introduction of a lesson. Tapos yung second part is face-to-face or synchronous, or it could be the ending. You start with the synchronous and then you end with the asynchronous using your 5-minute video lesson. And of course, don't forget yung after session test. Alright? Ayan. So, final thoughts. Always remember that the purpose of video learning is to improve knowledge. Hindi para magpakita ng skills yung teacher. Hindi para sumikat. Hindi para magpa-impress. Kundi para tumulong sa mga estudyante. The type of video you choose sa iba't ibang pinakita ko to make instructional purposes should always tie back to the learning objectives derived from your needs analysis. Ano yung needs analysis? Understanding the weakness and strength of your students. So make a video that will answer the cognitive load problem and the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve problem, and at the same time fit sa iyong estudyante based on their weakness and their strengths as far as learning is concerned. And there you go. I hope na sa mahabang discussion ko ay meron akong na-share kahit papano. Okay, loaded po ang ating discussion. So yung Ebbinghaus at saka yung sinabi kong cognitive load ay nakuha natin yung problema, okay? Pero the purpose kasi is to share, and this is a webinar and a workshop po kasi. Pero pagdating po sa video lesson na 5 minutes, kailangan mabubura po natin yung tinatawag na cognitive load problem at saka yung Ebbinghaus forgetting curve problem. And mag-weed, just follow the tips and tricks na pinakita ko po kanina, and for sure you will be able to create a very effective video lesson. Just make sure that you develop yourself first and be the one bago kayo humawak at mag-influence ng ibang tao, which is your students, using your video lessons. That is all. I thank you for your time and patience. God bless everyone. Stay safe.